Stop doing that said, I'm not working a job when I finally arrive there, but my wife is a giant animal person and will be looking to help existing animal rescue organizations. Are you familiar with any of those currently? Yes, there are a few. There's one that works with the mayor's office. There's one that called Saipan Cares for Animals. I'm not sure if they're still around. There's another organization called PAWS, PAWS. The A and the W stand for animal welfare or something. So those are also mentioned in my Saipan Living book, so you can check those out as well. But yes, there are organizations she can volunteer for. Absolutely. We do have a stray dog issue here on the island. From what I'm told, there are about 20,000 stray dogs on Saipan. And there's probably cats, just as many cats as well. So the mayor's office implemented a program, and there's much need for people and who are interested in helping with that situation. Sometimes we have visiting doctors come in, vets come in and help with the spaying and neutering program. So absolutely, that is something that should keep your wife busy.